So first let me open the library, and see here you can see the cloud status is out of sync. So first you have to go to the settings, click on the settings and come down to the storage area. So click on the storage and click the 3 dots and then repair library. So give it yes and wait for it to complete. So once it's done, and then again go to cloud. So enable the Steam Cloud option. So make sure it is enabled in your Steam account and then close this tab. And then click that settings icon and go to properties and install the files and verify integrity of game files. So let's wait it to complete till 100%, and then once it gets completed, close the Steam in the taskbar and then reopen it again. So once it gets reopened, you just go to your game and check the cloud sync now. So it should be updated right now. So let me open the Steam account. It's opening, and then go to the library section. So go to your game. So it's not here. So you can see the open. So cloud status. So now it's up to date. So now you can play from